Imagine you run a bakery. You make 1,000 loaves a week. 3 come out wrong. That sounds excellent. A 99.7% success rate. Now imagine a hospital operating at the same rate. That would mean thousands of failed surgeries every single week. Same percentage, completely different consequences. This is the problem Six Sigma was created to solve. Six Sigma is a method for reducing variation in a process. Sigma measures how spread out results are. The tighter the variation, the fewer defects you get. At Six Sigma level, a process produces only 3.4 defects per million opportunities. Most businesses operate closer to 3 or 4 Sigma. That means thousands of defects instead of just a few. The goal is not perfection. The goal is controlled consistency. Six Sigma was developed at Motorola in the 1980s, after Japanese competitors dramatically outperformed them on quality. Engineer Bill Smith helped create the framework. Motorola saved billions of dollars using it. Later, Jack Welch introduced Six Sigma at General Electric, adding billions more in operational improvements. Most Six Sigma projects follow the DMAIC framework. Define, measure, analyze, improve, control. Imagine you run an e-commerce business promising next-day delivery. Customers are complaining because 22% of orders arrive late. In the define stage, you clearly state the problem. 22% of orders ship late. The target is less than 2% within 90 days. Next comes measure. You collect real data from the last 3 months of orders. You identify which orders shipped late and exactly where delays occurred. The data reveals something surprising. Most delayed orders never even left the warehouse on time. Then comes analyze. You use the 5 whys technique to find the root cause. Why are orders late? Because picking happens too late. Why? Because picking lists are generated after lunch. Why? Because the system was configured years ago and never updated. Now you have identified the real issue. During Improve, you change the picking list generation from 1 p.m. to 7 a.m. You pilot the change for 1 week. On-time delivery improves from 78% to 95%. Finally comes control. You create a simple daily check to ensure the picking list always runs at 7 a.m. That prevents the process from slipping backwards over time. You may have heard about Six Sigma belts. Yellow belt introduces the basics. Green belts lead smaller improvement projects. Black belts focus full-time on operational improvement. Master black belts oversee entire improvement programs. But for most businesses, the important thing is not the certification. It is learning the DMAIC thinking process. Six Sigma works best when you already have an existing process with measurable defects and reliable data. It is not ideal for brand new processes or people problems. Lean removes waste. Six Sigma reduces variation. They work well together, but they are not the same thing. If you want to start today, pick one recurring problem in your business. Define it clearly with a measurable number. Measure what is actually happening before changing anything. Use 5 whys to find the root cause. Pilot 1 improvement. Then, create a simple control check so the improvement lasts. Six Sigma is not about perfection. It is about becoming consistent on purpose. The companies that improve year after year are the ones that stop guessing and start measuring.
Explore free templates, calculators, courses, videos, and software tools at simplicityhub.co.uk. Simplicity Hub, making things simple.